Before, running your appliances, starting the laundry, and cooking were fully dependent on your schedule. Not anymore. With the Home Connect app, you can now easily monitor and control your Bosch home appliances with just the touch of a finger, no matter where you are. Your Bosch home appliances with Home Connect are simply connected to your home Wi-Fi router, which connects to your smart devices via the internet. This allows you to control and monitor your appliances from wherever you are, making your life easier and more convenient. Creating your favorite coffee with individual settings, saving it on the app, and starting the coffee machine remotely is just one of many examples. Or check what's in your fridge while at the supermarket, thanks to cameras in the fridge. Find the recipe you would like to cook in the app and send the right settings for that recipe directly to your oven. Receive an update when your washer or dryer are done with your laundry. Or receive a notification from your dishwasher when you are running low on taps, and let the app automatically reorder new ones for you. Synchronize your kitchen hood to your hob, which then automatically turns on the ventilation and lighting when you begin cooking. This is Home Connect. Gain freedom by controlling and monitoring your household appliances through your smart devices. Bosch, invented for life.